into the room. This is what it looks like, very nice. Here we have a king size bed with the lamps. And this is the Jamaican plugs, by the way. If you need to get any plug adapters, I've gotten one and it really comes in handy. Right here we have the mini bar dispensers, which is really cool. All you have to do is just get a cup, place it up, and it automatically fills a shot. Right now we have gin, vodka, rum, and whiskey, I believe. Over there, and that's really nice. Moving on to our tea and coffee station, along with a champagne cooler. So the idea is you would put ice in there to keep your champagne nice and cool. Here we have our room keys and towel cards over there. Very nice, stocked with our own mini fridge. Earlier we did drink some, so we have to get this restocked. But you have Coca-Cola, let me get that, Coca-Cola, diet and normal, the same as the bigger orange drink, which is very nice. And what's this over here? You have some water, which is always nice to have. And then we have some coconuts at the bottom because we were drinking that earlier. Moving on to the bathroom, we have the dual mirrors, which is lovely. Don't mind the outfit, I just came back from the pool. Nice standard sink, walk-in shower, which is always nice. I think 6 towels are provided for, along with a hairdryer. And the main event, a full body mirror, which is nice to see your photos and things. And I always love the bed design. I think it's something new every day. So that's really nice and interesting. Over here we have a TV right now. And yeah, we just put our suitcases here with our shoes at the bottom, shoes and bags. Yeah, we have a fan at the top, along with some AC over there that we can do, which is lovely. If I show you the closet, I think they provide a iron board. Yep, an ironing board and a umbrella there. One of the main ones, because in the hurricane season, it's always nice to have one, along with the iron over there. Oh, let's try the other door. And we just have our safe over here, which you can never have too many safes to keep your all your bits and bobs nice and secure. So walking on to the main event, which is so nice and so exciting. Over here we have just a pull-out couch if you ever need to, if you have like a friend staying around. Oh, that's me over there, lovely to see. Oh, and I think I see my partner just enjoying himself. And it's really hot today. It's 30 degrees, so it's always nice to cool off. So as he's taking a nice drink, you can see the view in the background, the nice ocean view over there. And I think you can actually see some, what is that over there? A boat. It's a sailboat. So you can do some excursions if you ever wanted to, but very nice. So you got entrance number 1, and here you have the main entrance. And we're just walking out here. You can see the beautiful ocean view. I think it's just sunrise, so you can still see the sun pretty much. It's very nice. I just zoom in a little bit for you guys. That's nice. So the sun's just coming out to say hello. That's lovely. And to your left, you have all the private pools over here on the balconies for each room. That little room over there, that's R1, so that's very nice. Oh, I think they're cleaning this pool over here. So this is one of the public pools for everyone, and that's the quiet one. So if you wanted a little bit of a rest, Again, that beautiful beach, the nice white sand you can see over there, and some boats over there in the distance. Lovely. So this is just a walkway, and it is a bit of a walk, about 2 minutes or so. You have more private pools over there, right opposite a bar called Bob's Bar. Very nice. You can get your slushies from there. Strawberry daiquiri. If you can see, I think there's someone swimming, having a nice morning swim, which is lovely. And this is just where the other buildings are, the other rooms for everyone. I think there is about 3 to 5 buildings with no lifts. It's quite a smaller resort. And here's this section. If you go down there, that will lead you to the main pools, but if you take this way, it will lead you to the restaurants. You can see all the different lists over there. Very nice. Over here, you have a little bit of a seating area. If anyone smokes, that's the place to do it. Right opposite the children's play splash park over here. So you have a little children that can play in the waterfalls, which is very nice. You have the RIU land. Yeah, lovely. What's this? I think this is the Island Cove, if you wanted a lunchtime snack. We haven't been there personally just yet, but I heard good things about it. Down here you have a nice courtyard for like paddle boarding and tennis. I'm not sure if they have basketball, but if you're into sports, that's a nice cool area for you. I assume that it's very quiet. Not a lot of people come here because it is so hidden. But this is it. Very big. Can you see that? Yeah, lovely. And then you just have the car park at the back there. This is some more houses or suites, just rooms really. Coming up to this area, you have the spa and the gym. Good morning. The gym is 24 hours and the spa is from 8 till 8. Very nice. You can get couples massages and things. Oh, first aid station if you ever get hurt. And here you have the gift shop. Very nice. You can get all your little souvenirs over there. Oh look, you get some through the window. You see that? So looking at all the different bars and the other things. Okay. And it's closed now, but this is where you'll get your towels and your key card. Oh, I think they started up the white party after the hurricane, so it'll be very nice to go to that. This is just the entrance of the Island Cove for your lunchtime bits. Down here you have the one of the pools here. This pool doesn't get that busy because it is obviously for volleyball. Only a certain amount of people like to play this one. But yeah, very nice, really big, and you can play water volleyball. You have the scuba right opposite Pepe's Food. I'll take you over there. But yeah, ample amount of seating though, but it does get busy, so if you want to see, get there quick. This is the swim up bar, so if you want a swim and a drink, this is the place to do it. Very nice. And then we have another bar to your left, right opposite some food stations down there. This is Pepe's Food, so you can get jerk chicken, jerk pork, rice and beans, and other little snacks. Opposite the Tiki Taco, where you can get beef taco, chicken taco, and I believe that's it, with some nachos. Let's go down to the main pool area. Oh, I think I can see someone claiming their chair because it does get very busy. And here is where some gym activities take place. I know that they do a morning session for sunrise, and they do a night session called moon salute in the evening. So if you wanted to moon bathe in the nighttime, you can. I think they're just cleaning the pool, getting it ready for the day ahead. This is the main pool over there. Very big, very busy. You can do the aqua fit in the mornings. I like to do. Very nice. You can lounge at the end. You've got sunbeds in the pool, which is lovely. I see some people already claiming their chairs. Now if you walk around, oh, you have a nice dressing area over here. So if you need to get changed, you got the privacy to do it. You just walk here from the main pool area. Again, right opposite the beach. Lovely clear blue waters. You have the scuba building where you can book some excursions, take you to Rick's Cafe, and you can go sailboating on one of those over here, as well as tubing and the paddle boats. If you can see down there, you and a friend can go paddle boating on the shore. Very nice. You'll just walk up here to get all your food and bits. So inside is the main buffet that we'll go and have breakfast. Very nice. Pastry area. This is the Jamaican station. You can get your This is the Asian cuisine. Very nice. I don't know if you can see. Yeah. Very nice. We have the culinarium. Again. Nice. Lovely. Culinarium. This is the sports bar. They have a bar over there. Here we have the main entrance and the bar over there. Nice seating. Go over here. Nice. Come on, baby. This is where you can get your photos over here as well. It's closed at the moment. Yeah, very nice. And now we're back. This is the gift shop from earlier. And we walk, walk, walk. We have the couple massage if you ever want to do that. Over there, right next to the bar, down there. And over here you have like a zebra. I'm not sure if you can see, but we'll go back over there. Over there, there's a little cliff you can go, and that's where I actually saw a starfish over there. That's very cool. Now we're back. We've done a full walkthrough. Cheeky Amazon package. Do not feed the cats, though. Do not feed them.